Your cat just stuck his head inside of that pitcher and pushed all of that off the table. Like that! What the fuck? Oh my god!
Entertaining us in the studio for about 50.
We must sound the drums of war.
What is happening in this house? Oh, you don't live here, sir. I know this is your house. This is not your house, sir. Go with my... Oh, shit. Ah! What are y'all doing? Y'all live together.
Sí.
Кантеситу покажи.
So you must go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So I got this heating pad for my cramps, but I think he is enjoying it a little bit more.
Huh?
I think he can sense that the brain cell is nearby, so he's trying to stay extra still so that he can finally intercept it.
T'es gonflé, hein.
I really wish you would stop sitting up there because you've tried and you've fallen twice and caught yourself. So, not on the socks. Oh, God. Literally doesn't care. Oh, my God. Percy. Oh, my God. Percy.
Fenomenal, Messi para McAllister, McAllister para Messi. Ahora viene para Julián. Y Julián lo metió para McAllister. Creo que será gol de Di María, ¿vio? Así va Di María. Gol, 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 gol.
Sorry. Buddy, you gotta work with me, okay? You just gotta work with me. Just work with me. Oh my God, my little prince! You're my little prince. Oh my God, you're my little. Oh.
If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone.
Good. Well then.
Oh my God! I can't believe you reached across like that again. I can't even.
Oh.
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
So I just woke up from a nap. This is Maeve. She's my kitty. She's supposed to be here. Who the f*** are you? Who are you? What are you doing in my house?
No es un chico malo, solo quiere ser él mismo.
God, I'm gonna get rid of every one of you. This is pathetic. No, this isn't what a screen is for. Look at all this.
I'm sleeping, don't bother me. I said don't. You're bugging me, you're gonna pay for this when you're asleep.